science of the future, transforming ideas into innovation and innovation into impact. Hi, I'm Dr. Jaswinder, Assistant Professor at Department of Biotechnology, Chandigarh College of Technology, CGC Landran. Welcome to our vibrant academic and research community. Here at our institute, we just don't teach biotechnology, we ignite curiosity and foster innovation. Our institution was built on a strong foundation of academic excellence, experimental learning, and industry relevance. Our students are trained in well-equipped labs featuring latest in the field, which offers a perfect blend of theory and practice. Our institute is well equipped with state-of-art laboratories like molecular biology, microbiology, plant tissue culture, animal tissue culture, where every student gets an hands-on exposure from day one. We believe mentoring future professionals and researchers through research-based problem and their continuous skill development. Students here at CGC are continuously learning and evolving by participating in internships, conferences, research publications, and training programs. At CGC Landran, we support young innovators through our startup and incubation facilities where they can turn their biotech ideas into impactful ventures. If you are passionate and want to make a difference, Department of Biotechnology is where your journey begins. Join us, explore, innovate, lead with Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Landran. Thank you.